Consider any two lines on the same plane. Say line P and line Q. Now if there's any line that meets these two lines at two distinct points, like this, then it is called transversal. The line R meets line P at point A and line Q at point B. This becomes the transversal. R is called the transversal of lines P and Q. Also observe that there is a segment formed in between, segment AB. The segment AB is called the intercept. These lines P and Q may or may not be intersecting. It doesn't matter. As long as another line intersects them at two distinct points, that line will be called the transversal. Now here's an interesting diagram for you to know if you've really understood the concept of transversal. Look at these three lines A, B and C. Line C cuts line A and B at two distinct points. It means that line C will be the transversal of lines A and B. But there is another way to look at it. Assume lines B and C are drawn like this. Then line A intersects line B and C at two different points. Then line A is the transversal of lines B and C. And if we have lines A and C drawn like this and line B that cuts through them, then line B is called the transversal of lines A and C. It just depends on the way you look at it. So in this triangle-like figure, where three lines intersect, each line is a transversal of the other two lines.